Hi friends, I am Saket of 10th CBSE batch. I am currently in IISE Institution. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to review about this institution. After joining to this institution, I have improved a lot in my studies. My parents are really happy about this. I would like to thank the teaching faculties. They have really supported in me in my ongoing studies. They prepare us for the future upcoming board examination. If you are planning to join any institution, IISE institution is a really good platform to start. Thank you.
Oh, our favorite school, Assumption. Right. How do you feel now when you joined here, and now what are the changes you have felt?
I was not studying first properly.
Okay.
Now I am concentrating on
You are concentrating more. What do you want to become?
engineering.
Engineer. So how is your maths and science? How many hours you are practicing now?
Maths only 1 hour, science I will study.
You study and practice regularly. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ?
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ರೈಟ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾವ. We want that he should be very successful in life. Any help is required, we are there to help. Till final exam you come. Don't leave the classes, right? And any chapters, any lessons, if you require any help, revisions ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, right ma'am? And just see that TV mobile ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because final exam ತುಂಬ crucial ಇದೆ, right? If you get 95%, you will get good college, easy to get admission, right? And we will also help you till final examination, right ma'am? So means any other changes, any other feedback ma'am? What we can do?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಓದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. But okay. Tuition
Madam, we will definitely guide them, because what you said of 10th standard, suppose he wants to go to engineering, okay, so I will guide him regarding colleges, regarding combination, everything, so that it will be easier for him. No need to pay any extra money. Go Jasti college ke pay maarbedi, because not colleges illa, they will ask so much money and all that. Try to trust us. Come down to IISE, each and everything will take care.
ನಾವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನು PCMB ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
But he wants to go for engineering, right Nama? So engineering he wants, then PCMC is important.
PCMC.
Right ma'am. The biology is there because suppose he wants to go to medical line, then biology help agada. But he is in mind, he is there that he wants to go for engineering. So computer science will always help him. Okay. Now computer science, now they have changed to Python also. So higher languages there. So help agate futures.
ಒಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವನು ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು.
100% ma. For that only we are guiding. You do one thing, let examination gets over, let him settle down and let him come here. What will happen, each and everything, whatever positive is there for PCMB, whatever positive for PCMC, which all the colleges are nearby, which all the colleges can help them, and what combination can help to become engineer, illa guide ma. Right ma? You don't worry, don't take tension. First we have to get very good marks for next time. That will help them. Okay? Eat properly, sleep on time, right? And keep on practicing. Next month now regular evening classes is there, I'll come and meet you. So guide market. Okay? We'll work together as a team. Right? Become very successful in life. Our blessing is there. Okay? Make your parents proud. Isn't it? They have sacrificed a lot. Okay? Help Martha. Okay? Thank you ma. Thanks for supporting us. Definitely we'll help the children ma. Thank you ma.